cameras on the roof rack.
Ah.
So not to drill down into the foundations. I'm going to put 4 of them in. Looks really bad. And it'll bruise as well, because it's right into the muscle. Deja vu. Why is Alex knocking this wall down? It was built 10 minutes ago.
Customer hates it.
That's why. Yeah, we're back. Someone decided to let me just show you the street. Quite a narrow road, quite a tight bend. It's not ideal as parking here, but somebody decided to turn around here. Instead of going to the top, turn around in the T, they decided to back in here. Missed his drive, knocked his wall over, and drove off. And there's no cameras around. The customer's got a camera now, but obviously it's too late now, and next door's Ring doorbell didn't catch it. So I feel really sorry for him, because he can't tell you how made up he was with this wall. So it's shifted slightly, but not enough to knock the whole thing down. So we're going to rack it back, rebuild it. We've got some 10mm rebar to drill down into the foundations. I'm going to put 4 of them in the 10mm joint, just to give it a little bit of extra strength. And so if anyone does hit it again, they'll come off worse. So yeah, let's get this dropped down and get the bricks cleaned up. Oh.
Dad's back from his shopping trip.
Do we want to be sponsored by a knockoff battery company?
If they'll fit all our stuff, yeah?
It's third-party battery, so it fits everything.
Right. I've sustained a minor injury cleaning these bricks, but they're almost all cleaned. Dad's bought 14 more because obviously whoever did this wall last must use pretty good mortar because it's sticking.
And you've got to hear now. You will have been for the ride in the van. The camera's on the roof rack.
Ah.
And then now she's sitting forward, so they've been for a ride down on the side of the van.
Again.
In time lapse, so very fast.
At least there's a stronger arm this time.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's not a lot left. Do you want me to start getting the mix ready then while you're finishing this up?
Well, let's just load out, get the mix, have some dinner.
Okay.
In fact, no, get the mix on before dinner, and then we can start straight away, can't we?
Yeah. That's the plan.
This one's broke, so I'm just going to drill that one out. I'm not taking all them off.
No.
There's no wall left.
I'll stick you back on time lapse.
Right, that's what the sun stays in. And that breeze stays, so that's nice, that. Right. Deja vu, we're back down to the bottom course of brick. I've already drilled one hole for the first bar. Nice 14mm drill bit to get a deep hole in there. I'm going to drop it in there with some cement and water. It's not like gonna, it's not gonna hold up bloody skyscraper. It's here just to anchor the wall down into the footing, give it half a chance if someone else hits it. It's tied into that wall at that end, and yeah, there's the bars. Just going to put a bit of galvanised spray on them and drop them in that hole, and crack on. So yeah, Alex has done the mix using our R30's hand with the scotch hammer right there, right on the soft bit of your thumb there. Looks really bad, and it'll bruise as well because it's right into the muscle. So anyway, this lot here, this big mess, will soon be converted into a nice new wall, nice and tidy place. So I think I'll put you on the radio for starters, and time lapse the first bit, and we'll get back to you in a bit.
Right, it's after break. It's not really. We all batteries were dead, so we've had to have them all charging. But what you've missed quite a bit actually. Got the rest of it cleaned up. Dad went and got the extra bricks that we needed. I think.
You've been on that ride.
Oh yeah, you were on that ride. Yeah. So we've he's galvanised sprayed all the steel rods now. They're
10mm rebar.
10mm rebar. That's all drilled in and it's been filled in with some cement mortar.
Really like.
Or tradesman's coffee. I know we were making it. And yeah, he's made a nice bit of progress. I put the mix on, so I've done something.
Drive me around the bend, this.
I'm just pointing out that I've done something because that comment said I did F all else.
Well, that comment was deleted.
I did a mix.
Scumbags don't last long in the comments.
So because obviously we're on a curve, I'll be labouring for Dad and I'll joint up so he can crack on with the actual bricklaying.
If you do a curve from two ends, you end up with a curve like that one.
Yes.
You're pigging it.
And you can click the banner up there for that video if you want. So yeah, I'll stick you on time lapse for a bit while Dad's working up the bend. He's on a bender. Catch you in a bit. There we go. Again.
Deja vu.
Let's hope it doesn't come in threes. Well, there we go. It's wall up. See what you got them. You flew them in. You got them in about 10 minutes.
Yeah. Freehand as well.
Yeah. Not bad. So there we go. So joint up, tidy up, and that is us done. I'll put it on time lapse while we do all the ins and outs. Doing it right now. There you go. Nice work there, Dad. Again, yeah. So as we wave it goodbye, I'll sign us out. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, again, be sure to leave us a like, and if you're new to the channel, you want to see more, hit subscribe and tap on that bell. And I'll just pan you over to the other wall. Just about to see lovely stuff. If you want to see more, hit subscribe and tap on that bell so you always know when we upload. Massive help, we greatly appreciate it. This has been Bricklaying with Steve and Labouring with Alex, with a repeat of a wall, and we'll see you in the next one.